someone's messing with me. Got you now!
Agent, Black Tusk just arrived and scuttled a ferry with explosives. I'm hiding on another one of the ferries. They haven't spotted me yet, but there's no way I can take these guys alone. We need to get to Liberty Island to take out Keener. But first, you'll need to clear out the Black Tusk by the terminal and secure a vessel. Ideally, the ferry I'm currently on.
Intercepting enemy comms.
Explosive set. Detonating in 3, 2, 1.
I'm still here, Agent, but we're running out of time. I'm on the remaining ferry, but we need to secure it and get it up and running.
Get those explosives ready! And move it! We're not leaving a single vessel behind!
Agent, you have to disable those explosives.
Explosives detected.
Shoot him! Copy that! Returning fire! The drone's got all of... They're gonna flank us! Friendly hit!
Explosives detected. Explosives disarmed.
Shit. Black Tusk are closing in on me on the upper deck. I won't be able to stay here much longer.
Division agent spotted on the upper deck! Take her out!
Engaging hostiles.
Lost one of ours here!
All right, let's get this ferry on a course to Liberty Island. Gotta admit, there's ass.
Kelso, I've taken a look through Parnell's files and found something. Looks like he worked with Keener's bioweapon under the name Project Eclipse. There's something big planned on the island. I really don't like the sound of that.
Whatever Keener's planning, we can't let him carry it out.
I don't really trust you, but you're all we've got. Don't fuck it up.
Incoming ferry, 0.8 miles east.
Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this.
Fire at will.
Shit! Get down!
Keep firing.
Oh God! We're going in hard!
Unknown network detected.
Signals coming from below the statue. It's gotta be him.
Welcome to Liberty Island, agents. I see the division really went out of their way to give me their tired and poor.
Keener. He's tapped into our comms. Agent, ignore him. You know what your objective is.
Neutralizing the last EMP. Keener is fucked, sir.
All right, prepare for a full assault. All units, move in.
The Black Tusk haven't arrived in New York by coincidence. They're here to get Keener. But why?
That, dear Kelso, is the million-dollar question.
God damn you, Keener. Agent, I'm going radio silent for now. We don't want to telegraph our intentions to this fucking eavesdropper. Just don't listen to what he says. He will try to manipulate you. Kelso, out.
System.
What's your status?
We've spotted division on the island, but we're all set over here to receive the package.
Deploy the Razorback.
System back online.
The Razorback is ready to go, sir.
Initiate.
You need to disable the Razorback, but it will indirectly benefit your opponent. What will you do, Agent? It's what you call a real catch-22.
Sir, the division are approaching the Razorback.
Do not allow the Razorback to be compromised. We can use its drones to locate and neutralize Keener. Defend it.
Razorback detected. Weak points detected.
sending reinforcements.
Weak points detected. Razorback terminal detected. Detected. Weak points detected. Razorback disabled.
Sir, the Razorback is offline.
That's just fucking great.
Impressive work, Agent. I can see why they trusted you to carry out this op. You should come by the plinth so we can have a more personal conversation. The front entrance is inaccessible at the moment, but there's a service entrance around the back. You'll figure it out.
All remaining units, initiate a final assault. Deploy everything we have southwest of the monument. Understand?
Copy that, sir.
Deploy the Marauder.
It's our last one, sir.
Just do it!
Marauder-class quadcopter. Detected. System malfunctioning.
Sir, we've lost control of the Marauder.
Keener, son of a bitch!
System restored.
Sir, the Warhounds. They've been hacked.
Do something about it then.
We've tried, sir. Signal's jammed. There's no way to retrieve them.
God damn it!
Sir, we have nothing left to deploy.
I know!
Agent, looks like we broke their spirit. And their toys.
Reinforcements from upstate, sir?
No. By the time they arrive, it'll be too late. We're done here.
Guess that just leaves us, then, Agent. You know where to find me. I'll be waiting.
Portable device detected. Electronic device detected.
We need to go now. Is our extraction set?
I got a boat waiting for you and your team in Jamaica Bay.
Are you sure you can't take the lead on this mission?
Your team is perfect. You work well together, and I know I can trust you to handle things in Washington.
Really wish you were coming with us.
I can't leave New York now.
Hostiles detected.
There's too much at stake. Besides, my team doesn't really play well with others.
Fair, still. Could use more bodies. Just in case things go sideways.
Don't worry. I won't let you go without backup. Conley's left you a present. You're gonna like it. Just don't forget to feed them.
Echo, nearby.
You know what I'm capable of. Still think resources is scarce.
Go on. Just a little further.
You got a taste of what the Eclipse is capable of. Chernenko, Vivian, Dragov, Kachika, and, little Theo. They all had their parts to play. But like any big project, only the director knows how it'll all come together. If you let your worker bees think about the big picture, they stop working. The cleaners, the Rikers, whether or not you got enough water bottles to keep the civilians happy. You were so busy and distracted.
Portable device detected.
Data purge initiated.
If you never take control, you'll never have control. That's the difference between you and me. That's why you're still an agent of the division.
Rogue incinerator turret detected. Hostile incinerator turret detected. Rogue assault turret detected. Hostile assault turret detected. Rogue striker drone detected. Hostile striker drone detected. Rogue airburst seeker mine detected. Hostile airburst seeker mine detected. Rogue stinger hive detected. Hostile stinger hive detected. Rogue explosive seeker mine detected. Hostile.
What's your objective, Agent? What are you doing here? Do you really trust the people you work for? Do you even trust yourself? Who can you trust?
Rogue sniper turret detected. Hostile sniper turret detected.
Systems rebooted.
Final sequence. I wonder what that means.
System disrupted. System back online.
Great. You made it. I've kind of worried you'd miss the grand finale. You earned the right to witness this new beginning. Who knows? Maybe when you see the culmination of my work, you'll understand what I have been trying to accomplish.
Initial launch sequence activated.
Unknown biological compound detected.
You guessed it. There's an Eclipse payload on that missile. Imagine that.
Rogue striker drone detected. Hostile striker drone detected.
You're such a waste of skill and commitment. You could have done wonders, Agent. It's tragic. I don't think you understand. I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing it for everyone. All I ask is for you to open your mind.
Rogue assault turret detected. Hostile assault turret detected. Rogue sniper turret detected. Hostile sniper turret detected. Rogue Stinger Hive detected. Hostile Stinger Hive detected.
This payload will push the reset button on the entire city. A fresh start. We share that common goal. I'm just expediting the process.
Rogue incinerator turret detected. Hostile incinerator turret detected.
Missile target locked. Manhattan.
Rogue striker drone detected. Hostile striker drone detected. Rogue artillery turret detected.
Sequence failed.
Hostile artillery turret.
You useless brainwashed puppet. You have no idea what you have just done.
Contaminated area. Rogue defender drone detected. Hostile defender drone detected.
You ever have a drone on you, Agent?
Rogue
You
bombardier
ever been
drone
hit by a
detected.
chem launcher?
Hostile bombardier drone detected.
You're a real piece of shit. But I bet you are. You forgot to watch your sides. You can run, but my seeker will
Rogue
find you.
explosive seeker mine
I
detected.
really thought you were smarter than this.
Hostile explosive seeker
I'll
mine
make
detected.
mistakes.
Final! A challenge!
Hey, you're skilled, I'll give you that.
System
your way.
malfunctioning.
Nice shot, Agent.
Rogue Stinger Hive detected.
I have a kit. I thought you were supposed
Hostile Stinger Hive detected.
to. I hope you like turrets.
You'll come around. I guess I just have to beat some sense into you.
You make a fine target, Agent. Give me a second. I have to reload. You should be
Rogue
scared.
binder Firefly detected.
Firefly out. Damn it.
Hostile blinder
I
firefly
wonder
detected.
how fast you can run. I'm betting my
Rogue
seeker
Mender
is
Seeker
fast.
Mine detected.
You ever wonder what it feels like to be on
Hostile
the
Mender
receiving
Seeker
end of
Mine
your
detected.
toy? Rookie mistake, Agent. Grenade! Take cover! Reloading. Now's your chance. Seriously, this is too easy.
You're not gonna get out of this bitch. Forget it.
Rogue
You wonder
Defender
what it's
drone
like to be
detected.
targeted by a drone?
Hostile Defender drone detected. Rogue Fixer drone detected. Hostile Fixer drone detected.
Simple but effective.
Rogue Striker drone detected.
Watch your side.
Hostile Striker drone detected. Rogue
I
Incinerator
got you right
turret
where I
detected.
want you. I
Hostile
have to use the
Incinerator
kit.
turret detected.
You're doing better than expected. You're making it too easy. Damn!
I'm done playing with you. It'll be over real soon, Agent.
Might want to duck.
Agent, I'm on my way. Go secure Keener.
You're done, Keener. Don't try anything.
My time's up.
Wait, what did you do? What did you do, Keener?
You have no idea what's coming.
Rogue Agent deceased.
Fuck! Fuck this guy. Come on. Let's get back to Haven.
Hostile radio intercepted.
Schaefer, come in. Schaefer?
Schaefer, do you read?
Listening.
Fall back. Keener's dead. But he's activated the network.
What's the damage?
Parnell's watch is collating the data. Looks like it's all of them.
Shit. More rogue agents. Just what we fucking need.
No. It's perfect. This will bring the division to its knees. And that's when we'll end them. Once and for all.
Bell's ready and waiting to take...
You're back with Uncle Rick, and wouldn't you know it? And listen, here's the truth, people. Benitez and the JTF would have been fucked without the division. Yes, it's time to check the skies for flying bacon. You heard me. The pigs are flying, and I'm gonna have to eat my words with a side of crow.
Look, I just wanted to say, I'm sorry about Lau. No, I don't even know what to say.
I still can't believe she chose Black Tusk over us. Why didn't I see it before?
No one did. She fooled us all.
You didn't fool me. I never trusted her. Never. You, on the other hand, you did good. Almost gives a guy like me hope again. Almost. By the way, I couldn't access the Rogue network. The watch itself, I've never seen anything like it. You earned it.
Listen, I understand if you need to get back home, but I speak for everyone here when I say that you're more than welcome to stay. We still need your help, and New York is safer with you here.
Thank you.
But there it is. So thanks, agents.